My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Please ensure to watch this video 2 or 3 times before making your first attempt. If you don't like an explainer like this, don't worry. At the end of this video, I'm going to just let you play without talking. I've got a Telegram channel and group. The links are going to be in the description. If you fancy joining, check the description of this video. And finally, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That's how to know when my videos go live. Now let's get started. Okay, the first one we're going to do is to move this candle up. Okay, and then after that, going to move this way. We're going to push this up a bit so that these 2 green candles can go all the way to the right. Watch that move. Up, push it this way, move that up, push this 2 all the way to the right. Now the next move is going to be to bring this down, the 2 red candles and this one, bring them down. Okay, and then watch that move. The next will be to move this towards this direction, and the reason is so we can move this up. Watch that move. Now at this point, we can return these 2 green candles to the left, bring these 2 down, push this towards this direction, move these 2 up completely, and then we'll push this towards this end. Watch that. Move them that way, bring these 2 down, push it to the right, move these 2 up, and the key is just gonna pass. Now let's play without talking.